Young woman found dead in bathroom in Bamboo Spaldings, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of a female who was found dead in a bathroom in Bamboo Spaldings, Manchester yesterday. The information remains sketchy up to the publication of this report, but it is suggested that the deceased, identified as Sherona O'Connor, otherwise called Sher, died after falling and hitting her head. It was previously theorized on social media that she was found with her throat slashed. However, the police have since refuted those claims. An autopsy and a forensic report will be needed to determine the exact cause of death. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.